Why?
Because I like
Because I did. What were you learning when for 8 months?
I thought
Ay,
I was in second grade already.
this is second grade. You're in the second kuan. You improve your skills in reading? No? Wait. No.
And then again.
Oh, sige, again.
I want to do a video again.
Oh, sige, go.
Video again about Christmas.
Okay, Christmas, go. This is the video already.
Merry Christmas 2024. We love Christmas. Thank you.
Oh, we love Christmas. What is Christmas for you?
Good day.
Good day. Who is having a birthday on Christmas?
I don't know.
You don't know? Agoy.
Yeah.
What did you talk Monday at kids church, diba? Who has a birthday on Christmas? Why are we celebrating Christmas?
Yeah. I know who is Jesus.
Oh.
Wow, you sure?
Oh, yeah.
I
It's
watched the video myself.